Hello, this is nice math problem. 5 to the power k is equal k. We have to find the value of k. Before starting the video, please like, comment and subscribe. So let's start. Solution: 5 to the power k is equal k. Now we will take ln in both sides. ln 5 to the power k is equal ln k. We know a math property which is ln a to the power b is equal b ln a. According to this math property, we can write here k ln 5 is equal ln k. We can write this line as ln k is equal k ln 5. Just side change. Here ln k is left side ln k and left side k ln 5 is equal right side k ln 5. Now we will divide both sides by k. This k and this k cancel out. Here remain ln k divided by k equal this ln 5. We can write here ln k divided by e to the power ln k is equal ln 5. Here we know a math property e to the power ln a is equal a. According to this property, we can write this k as e to the power ln k because e to the power ln k is equal this k. We can write this line ln k times this 1 over e to the power ln k is equal e to the power minus ln k is equal this ln 5. Now we will take negative sign in both sides. Here minus, here minus. Now we will take Lambert W function in both sides. Here W minus ln k times e to the power minus ln k is equal W of minus ln 5. We know Lambert W function of a times e to the power a is equal a. According to this property, we can write this line minus ln k is equal W of minus ln 5. Here minus ln k is equal this a. Now we will multiply minus sign in both sides. Here minus sign become plus sign. So ln k is equal minus W of minus ln 5. Now we will take exponential e in both sides. Here we can write e to the power ln k is equal e to the power negative sign W of minus ln 5. We know another math property which is e to the power ln x is equal x. According to this math property, we can write here left side e to the power ln k is equal k equal e to the power negative sign W of minus ln 5. k is equal, we can write this e to the power negative sign w of minus ln 5 1 over e to the power w of minus ln 5. This is the right answer. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, comment and subscribe.